Alright folks, so this is a video I've been waiting for a while, looking forward to shooting. This is an airplane that when I got started in free flight, this was the one they told you start with this one. So it's called the Big Pussycat. It is Dick Baxter's design. It's a modification of his popular Pussycat design, except this one has an airfoiled wing and it's a little bigger. So in the 90s, these were all the rage in the free flight community, and I haven't seen much posted about them in, well, probably 15 years. So we're going to fix that. So Liam Kufing from Thailand, sorry Liam, from Indonesia, there we go, drafted this up and is part of his laser cut lineup. And so it is a little different in that all the longerons are laser cut. So pretty cool. So we have not flown this, and we're going to fly it now. Okay, so to start off, we do need to talk about trim. So mine actually has a little bit of wash in on this left wing here. And that is to help offset the fact that we do have quite a bit of left rudder that is designed to be built into the airplane. It is CG'd right about 30% cord. Had to put a little bit of lead on the tail to get that, because this built out nice and light, so the plastic prop makes it a little nose heavy. So we're going to see how it glides. Oh, can't ask for any better than that. That's perfect. Alright. So it shows the left turn that you want out of this. The glide is steady. Now this is not a world beater of a glide. For one thing, it's got a lot of incidents designed in. And so as a result, it's not going to be a super efficient glider. But there we are. So let's crank in some turns and see how it goes. Okay, so we're not going to put a lot of turns on here. We're just going to put a couple hundred to get started. So we're going to run our pin through, and Caleb, if you'll come around here. That's right. There you go. Alright, we're not going to stretch it out very far. That's all you want to, right there. That's good. Yeah, start working your way. There you go. Okay. Alright. You gotta push back on this. Okay. Hang on. Let's get you some more slack. There you go. You got it. Gentle, gentle. Do not squeeze, because those longerons are fragile. Alright, you got it. Alright, gentle. Just wait.
Yep.
Okay, let's see it go.
Pussycat, let's you do this.
Can't ask for a whole lot better than that. Oh, well, let's wind it up some more. Alright.
Go?
Yeah. Have to throw it a little better than that. But because it is the Pussycat, it doesn't care.
Kid, what you doing?
Alright. Throw it a little. Yep. Give it a good toss. There you go. Oh, yeah. More winds, more fly.
Yeah.
And now we're going to get to pick it out of a tree.
Look, see.
Wow. Forgot how good these fly. Little too good.
Hey.
Oh boy. All right, Caleb, look where it goes so you can go get it. Okay.
Pussycat. Pussycat, what you do? Why you go up and down, upside down? Pussycat. Pussycat. Hi, Pussycat. Hey, Pussycat. You're going over the field. The Pussycat is going over the field, Daddy. The Pussycat is going over the field. Very nice. Pussycat, turn down.
Well, go get it.
No, turn down.
All right. What do you think?
It's good.
Don't break it.
So, well, I like about the Pussycat, I like the dihedrals, and I like how he put this here so something could go through it. So, and I like the blue tail. So, and the fuselage is my blue. And the propeller is red, and this is.
What's the propeller made out of?
It's made of. I don't know.
Plastic.
Plastic, and this is made of, and this is gray. So you can have these for kids, so you can fly them. The lead, all right.
Well, the lead, if it needs it to balance. All right, folks, so like Caleb said, it's on our website. What's our website?
Josh Finn.
No. How about J&H Aerospace? JHAerospace.com is where you can get kits for Dick Baxter's Big Pussycat, courtesy of Liam over there in Indonesia. And his amazing drafting skills to update this airplane for the 21st century. So hopefully we'll be seeing more of these. That would do my heart good because it is a fantastic little airplane. So anyway, we'll see you out there at the field. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.